What if I tell you that prop firms are designed for us to fail? There's a reason why 90% of traders end up losing money with prop firms even if they are profitable in their personal accounts. I myself have lost over 20 plus challenges before I got funded. These failed challenges have costed me thousands of dollars and countless hours to figure out the right approach to these challenges. In this video, I'm going to pass on the top 3 lessons I've learned after failing these many challenges. This video has the potential to save you from thousands of dollars lost in failed challenges. So pay close attention. You see, when I started trading with prop firms back in 2022, offering these huge capital to trade from, these firms were still a new and lucrative business opportunity for traders including me. As there was a huge potential upside to make money with these firms, I instantly bought a challenge and wanted to pass this account as soon as possible so that I could get to live funds and make some real money. This is where a lot of traders go wrong when they are first exposed to the world of prop firms and the opportunity lying in front of them. They want to pass these challenges as quickly as possible to get to the funded stage. This was more common in previous days when we had time limits on these challenges, but nowadays, as we don't have any more time limits on these prop firm challenges, you don't have anything to worry about. So I don't want you to rush the process when you first start your prop firm journey. The best way to tackle this is to have a well-defined trading plan which clearly defines the exact level for you to get in and the exact level for you to get out, which means the entry and the exits are completely mechanical. This leaves no room for error, and your only job as a trader is to follow your trading plan no matter the result. Treat this prop firm account as a normal trading account. A mistake which a lot of traders do is that they put these prop firm accounts on a pedestal which hinders their trading performance. So normalize trading with prop firms by treating it as a normal trading account. Another mistake which I have noticed traders do during these challenges, which is closely linked to rushing the process, is that they start increasing their risk while being in drawdown. This could be the most disastrous thing you could ever do in your way to passing these challenges. On the contrary, what most profitable traders, including me, do during these drawdown periods is to reduce our risk to a level we are comfortable losing the next 3 or 4 trades. You can increase your risk back to normal once you regain the confidence that you lost during those drawdown periods. Now, there are a lot of arguments about whether or not you should decrease your risk during these drawdown periods, but this is what has worked for me and a lot of other professional traders I know. Now on to the second lesson which I have learned after losing these many challenges is to start small. If you have never traded with prop firms before, you should begin with a 10K or 25K account. I guess the price for 10K account is $80, while the price for 25K account is around $150. Obviously, the price varies from one prop firm to another, but it's the general price in the industry. The idea is that it should be an amount you're comfortable losing. The thing is that no profitable trader you see online has passed their prop firm challenge in their first try. If not 100%, then at least 90% of traders don't pass their challenges right off the bat. Even if you are a profitable trader, it takes some time for your brain to adjust to the rules of the prop firm. You will make certain mistakes and learn from them. You might have seen many traders getting breached by the daily drawdown if they don't look at the drawdown period reset time and multiple other factors which can't be learned until and unless you experience it by yourself. Trading a prop firm account is completely different from trading a personal account, as there are no rules in a personal account while you have so many rules that you need to abide by in a prop firm account. Simply put, for the vast majority of you, you're not going to pass your first 3 to 4 challenges. I know it may sound harsh, but I'm a person who does not believe in false claims and bold promises. This is the reality of the situation, and that's why I recommend starting small. The biggest mistake traders do is that they start with a 100k or 200k challenge right off the bat. What's the point of wasting thousands of dollars in failed 100k or 200k accounts if you can learn the same lessons from a 10k account spending a couple $100s? So start small and prove it to yourself that you could get to the funded stage and then reinvest the profits made in the small account to buy a bigger one. This way you will also have a greater confidence as you have already validated your skills in a smaller account. This is the exact plan that I'm going to follow in 2024, and I'm aiming to get around 1 million funding by the end of this year. This is what compounding is, and this is how you make generational wealth. Unfortunately, I did not have access to these information 2 years ago when I started, otherwise I would have saved myself from the thousands of dollars I lost in these challenges. I hope you take benefits from this advice. Now on to the third lesson, which I realized recently, is that it is okay to lose a prop firm account. This backs up my previous point where I said that no trader has 100% passing rate with prop firms. You need to realize that market conditions are not the same every month. Certain months you might have an abundance of setups and a phenomenal month, while others might be dead months where you get slow and choppy price action. No trader, and I can say this with full certainty, has every month as profitable. You might have 2 to 3 losing months in an entire year while the year is overall profitable. This is quite normal in trading, and you have no control over which months are going to be the losing ones. What if you take one of your accounts in one of these losing months? It's quite simple, you're going to lose the challenge. So whenever you lose a challenge, I want you to take some time out and evaluate your performance. What is it that you did wrong? If you did everything right and followed your trading plan and still lost the challenge, then it's not your fault. It's just that the probabilities were not in favor of you in this month. You take another challenge in the next month and hopefully pass it. It's alright to lose a challenge provided you followed your trading plan. That's it. These were the 3 most powerful lessons I have learned after losing 20 plus challenges and wasting thousands of dollars and countless hours on the charts. I guarantee you that if you follow everything that I've shared in this video, your trading will be at a completely different level 1 year from now. I know you might be overwhelmed with the information I shared in this video. So I recommend you to come back to this video and rewatch this video after some time and also make some notes to retain the information. I myself have implemented everything I shared in this video to take a $50,000 prop firm account from minus 5% to passing the challenge. I documented every trade I take in that account completely live. So if you want to see the tips I shared in this video in complete action, then do give it a look. I'll pin that playlist somewhere on the screen, and we'll catch you guys in the next week with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.